Asking about favorites. Number one, what is your favorite drink? What is your favorite drink? Number two, what is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Number three, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? Number four, what is your favorite pet? What is your favorite pet? Number five, what is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? Number six, what is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie? Number seven, what is your favorite artist? What is your favorite artist? Number eight, what is your favorite football player? What is your favorite football player?